Hello and welcome to our video on how to make a non-stop herons fountain using plastic bottles and a straw. This DIY project is a great way to recycle old plastic bottles that you might otherwise throw away. To get started, you'll need a few materials. 3 plastic bottle with the caps and few straw. Use the hot glue gun to attach the bottle caps. Then make 2 small holes in the bottle cap that has been glued on. Then put 2 straws together to make a long pipe. Use hot glue to hold the straw together to make it stronger. Then insert the long pipe into one of the holes on the bottle cap. Also insert the next straw in the other hole in the position shown in the video. Then cut the tip of the straw to the size as shown in the video. Next, prepare a second bottle. Make a hole at the bottom of the bottle. Connect the tubing as in the video. All connections should be airtight. Then prepare the second bottle cap. You are going to need 2 holes in this cap. Then attach the caps using a hot glue gun. Then insert the next straw in the position as shown in the video. Now take a third bottle and cut it to form the very top of this heron's fountain. Then attach the bottle. Then cut and attach the last straw at the very top. Now all you have to do is fill bottle with water. To start your fountain, add water to the upper bottle. Enjoy your homemade heron's fountain. It will last a surprisingly long time. But unfortunately, not forever. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY and upcycling craft videos. Happy crafting!